This session is for the ICSE student, class 9. So there is a particular concept where students are getting a lot of confusion. So I just want to highlight for that part only. So we know that time period T is equal to 2 pi root over of L by G. This is for the pendulum. So let me give you the background about this pendulum. So this pendulum is having periodic motion, and this string, this is the length L, right? And this pendulum is governed by the gravitational force, right? So and the tension, there is force. Now for this one is oscillating. This one is oscillating, right? This pendulum is an oscillation. So for this pendulum, the time period T is equal to 2 pi root over of L by G. This is the formula. Okay. So now time period T, let me write it again. So T is equal to 2 pi L by G. So 2 constant, pi constant, G is constant here. L is the length of the string of the pendulum and T is the time period. So if you square this, T square is equal to 4 pi square L by G, or you can write T square is equal to 4 pi square by G into L. So we can see that T square is directly proportional to the length of the pendulum. Okay, length of the string, right? So this 4 pi square G is the constant term. This 4 pi square G is the constant term. Okay, so what we received here? We have received that T square is equal to 4 pi square by G into L. So this part is constant. So this is a linear equation. So between T square is proportional to L. So it's same like y is equal to mx plus c. So this is a general equation of a straight line. So T square by L is also present the general straight line, right? So T square L also present the general straight line. Fine. Okay. So now we'll draw this straight line. Okay. And this is the background. So let's draw it. So this will be like, so y-axis will be taking T square, x-axis is the length L, right? So this will be a straight line because it's having a linear relation. Fine. So for here we have to get the slope of this graph. For that we take 2 points. So this point is T1 square. So this, the coordinate of this point is T1 square, and this is L1, and for this point it will be T2 square, so it will be L2 T2 square, right? And this will be XY, that means L1 then T1 square. So these two are the coordinate. This is L1 T1 square, this is L2 T2 square. Okay, so these are the coordinate we are having. Now we have to get the slope of this straight line. So what are we going to do? Let's take this triangle. This is 90 degree. So this will be this will be T1 square. This is T2 square, right? So this part is T1 square minus T2 square, the y component, and this x part will be this part will be L1 minus L2. L1 minus L2, right? So the slope of this triangle is, if this is theta, then tan theta is equal to y by x, means y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So this is the slope. So we are getting the slope, that is here, slope is equal, slope of this graph is equal to T1 square minus T2 square by L1 minus L2. So this will be the slope of the straight line. Okay. So by this way we are getting the details of this line, like if you plot the T square versus L, we will get a straight line, and also you can calculate the slope. So this slope part is the constant which we have received at 4 pi square by G. Okay. So this is the relation, and I believe that this will help you the session. and in the exam you may have to draw this graph or any kind of questions you can receive from here. So this is same like velocity time graph, where velocity time graph the slope is the acceleration. Here t square by at square L graph the slope is the 4 pi square by g. Okay, so that's it. I believe that this session will help you. Okay, so thanks for watching and keep watching our session. So we are having multiple session for ICSE class 9 division classes.